So we've spoken there about the market, how it's changing and where it's going. It'd be interesting now to talk about our strategic alliance.
We are very fortunate to, over the last several years, bring together a lot of great technology from a number of different companies that we've merged over the last few years that deliver solutions for really the whole lifecycle management of a building. Everything from where employees are going to sit today, managing occupancy, assets, maintenance, lease management. So we're really excited about all the technology that we've brought together, and now we're on a great journey along with Autodesk to take that technology, build it into a platform that we can then continue our integration with Autodesk and deliver an integrated solution that covers all of the needs for the full building lifecycle management. What is interesting, and I think you touched upon it, is there is a lot of other handoffs that happen throughout the process, from planning to design, from design to engineering, from engineering to construction, and so on, that there are lots of losses of information at each one of those handoffs. And I think what the work that Autodesk is doing to connect that and smooth that through all of the collaboration tools that you're bringing to market, that the data at the end of the process, when people are starting to get into operations, is already so much more rich than it used to be or could have been. The systems are more interoperable, and we're working together, of course, to make that transition into the operations workflows and data management that we do in our solutions, even as easy as possible and as robust as possible, and providing tools to validate the deliverables coming through that process.